So, among title is Improving Reading Comprehension Skills of Grade 4 Students Through Interactive Read Alouds. Among focus diri is Improving Reading Comprehension Skills. Then, ang target namo is Grade 4 students. Then, among method is Interactive Read Alouds. The focus of this study was to determine how interactive read alouds affects students' comprehension, with the claim being that they increase comprehension scores. Through the use of observation, interviews, questionnaires, and comprehension questions, data was collected. When given questions after 3 read alouds and 3 independent readings, students' comprehension scores were higher the following: the read alouds for below average and average readers. There was no difference in scores for the average readers. The implication of this study include using read alouds as a support in intermediate grades, average and below average readers, preferring read alouds to independent reading, and using interactive read alouds to help engage students and enhance the discussion of text. Reading aloud strategy used in the teaching reading skills, which means the teacher and students pronounce the word loudly in front of the class to get the information. The strategy is rewarding for students to understand the reading text. Then the researcher used a reading test as an instrument to know the students' competence in reading skills. This research used as experimental design. The result was proof that the score in the experimental class was 61 with a standard deviation was 8.20 and the post-test score was 69.1 with a standard deviation was 8.22. Then the score of pre-test in the contour class was 56.5 with a standard deviation was 8.53 and post-test was 60.40 with a standard deviation was 9.68. There is a shift from learning to read towards reading to learn beginning in 4th grade. This project focuses on the use of read alouds to teach concepts such as inference, generalization, and drawing conclusion to increase reading comprehension in 4th graders. Reading aloud allows students the freedom to think through a book without the problem of decoding, interpreting, and comprehending simultaneously. The 4th grade students became aware of the idea that reading is about questioning, projecting, and making generalization to draw conclusion. Ang focus namo no is kaning improving reading comprehension skills. Gipili namo ni siya tungod kay ano manggod ang reading comprehension kaning is a foundation skills sa grade 4 sa ani nga level. So dili lang sa pagbasa ang importante kundi pagsabot sa gibasa, ideas, details ug meaning sa story o text. Like daghang grade 4 manggod ay daghang grade 4 learners nga kanang kabasahon pero dili siya kasabot. So mao ni ang common problem nga makaapekto sa performance nila sa tanang subject. So interactive read alouds is makatabang yun ni kay ang teacher nagmodel unsaon pagsabot sa text, pinaaga sa questions, discussion o prediction. So dili passive ang learners, actively involved sila. Then ang pamaagi sa child-friendly o engaging labi na sa elementary pupils mao nga mas dali nila masabtan ang text. So mo nang gi-focus ni nga area kay kung ma-improve ang comprehension musaka pod ang overall academic performance sa students.
Okay, the second title about the enhancing writing accuracy in the elementary grades through multisensory spelling interventions. So ang focus is enhancing writing accuracy, and also the target is elementary grades, and also the method is multisensory spelling interventions. So here are the article. First article is learning to spell is an essential skill for students to acquire at a young age. Historically, students used rote memorization to practice spelling words for a weekly test, according to Hoshi and Aaron 2005. Rote memorization may help students enter information into short-term memory hat using an active multisensory approach, enhance the transfer into long-term memory, according to Squid and Melicar 2008. The second article about the purpose of this study was to evaluate the effects of using the Go Phonics program, a multisensory systematic phonics program based on the Arthur Gillingham program with students from diverse backgrounds. This system teaches phonics through patterns instead of rules. 6 elementary special education students from ages ranging from 7 to 10 with documented deficits were given 5 weeks of supplemental multisensory reading instruction. Okay, so napili po namo ni nga usa ka title kay tungod nakita po namo nga problema po siya karon no kay kasagaran manggod sa elementary is kanang daghan kayo kabalo magbasa but daghan pud kayo ang dili kabalo magsulat og tama nga spelling sa ilahang gibasa. Okay, true multisensory spelling is kanang dako pod kayo og tabang kay tungod dili lang maga-focus ta sa usa ka pamaagi kundi dili maga-focus pud ta sa daghan nga pamaagi. Like for example, magtudlo ta sa students is dapat dili lang jud nga kanang pabasahon lang gid nato ang usa ka students kundi dapat tudloan gid nato ang mga students kung unsa ang mga tama nga word, and also dapat kanang makita pud sa mga students kung unsa ang mga kanang tama nga word nga ilahang gibasa. So true ana is kanang dali kayo masabtan sa mga students, and also dali pud nila mahinumduman og mahibal-an ang tama nga spelling through sa ilahang gibasa. Okay, so ang ikatulo nga title about utilizing storytelling and role play as pedagogical interventions to increase participation among introverted students. So ang focus is increased participation, target is introverted students, then method is storytelling and role play as pedagogical interventions. Okay, so here are the articles. So first is the results show that the teacher's tips in implementing role-playing games in overcoming the problems of introverted children through preparation and planning analysis, role-playing engineering, activity documentation, and activity evaluation. This research has implication for the use of role-playing, especially at R.A. Uzoto Nazana, introverted children begin to be able to mingle and even adapt to their friends, albeit slowly. Okay, so napili pud namo ni nga usa ka title kay tungod nakita pud namo ni nga usa pud ni ka problema kay daghan kay mga introverted students nga kanang dili sila mag-apil-apil sa mga recitation ug dili nila kanang ma-recite even nga daghan kay sila naibal-an kay tungod na ang ilahang kanang kaulaw ug naa pod ang kanang wala sila confidence sa ilahang kaugalingon. So through sa storytelling and role play, so diri is kanang makatabang pud ni sa kanang mga students nga kanang mga introverted students nga kanang ma-enhance ang ilang skills o kanang ma-share ang ilang ideas through sa ilahang kanang pag-collaboration sa ubang tao.